Hello everyone, welcome to Biotech Information. In this video, we will discuss about GMO, genetically modified organisms. In plant biotechnology, thousands of crops are produced. We can define GMO as any type of organisms whose genetic material has changed by inserting gene into it. By using genetically engineered techniques, they may produce in biotech company. GM crops may also known as genetically engineered transgenic, and now they are also named as biotech crops. History History about GMO is quite interesting. Mouse, the first transgenic animal which was created in 1980. Different transgenic plants were started to be created in China in 1980. First transgenic plant producing pharmaceutical in 1988. GMO corn hits the market in USA and in 1995 it was commercially available. Roundup Ready soybeans were available in market in USA in 1996. In 1998, first GM labeling rules were provided with the information about use of GM food. There are 20 famous crops that are approved for cultivation in different countries. Corn, cotton, canola, soybean are used directly and are in modified form and are commercially available. Let's discuss about few properties including herbicide tolerance. GMO are designed in a way that they have enhanced nutritional values. Quality as compared to simple food is improved through this process in transgenic crop. Population is increasing day by day, hence increased production of crop is need of R. GM crops have great pharmaceutical importance. GM crops have ability to survive in harsh conditions, so we call them stress tolerant crops. What is phytoremediation? In this technique, we use plants and soil microbes to reduce toxic effects of components in the environment. GM crops have high tolerance for heavy metals. For example, brassica and nicotine can eliminate mercury or other toxic compounds. The question arises in our mind, are GM crops are safe or not? So, the answer to this question is that GM crops are produced after a number of tests performed and are well checked, so they are safe as other food we eat. We can say nutrition depends on food quality, not method through which it is produced. WHO has recommended their members to set up a regulatory framework who will check and pre-marked safety assessment of GM food and make sure the prior checking of GM foods. Properties of GM foods include longer shelf life and much better taste. These foods are highly enriched with iron, which helps people to prevent anemia. We can use GM foods by putting vaccines into them, so we can say goodbye to needles. Bye to needles. What are mega countries? We use this abbreviation for those countries where growth of biotech crops is 50,000 hectares or more. So these are called mega countries. In 2004, there were 14 mega countries as compared to 10 in 2003, with Spain, Paraguay, Mexico, Philippines joining the mega country group for the first time in 2004. This 40% increase in the number of mega countries reflects a more balanced and stabilized participation of broader group of countries adopting biotech crops. Biotech crops are also providing benefits to consumer and society at larger scale through providing more affordable food, feed and fiber that require less pesticides and are more sustainable environment. The global value of total crop production from biotech crops in 2003 was estimated at $44 billion. Thank you.